Flightradar24 travel app review, usage experience. Links to the Flightradar24 app are available in the description below. Flightradar24 is a flight tracking app designed for aviation enthusiasts and travelers who need real-time information on flight locations, routes, and status updates. Whether you're tracking your own flight or keeping tabs on air traffic across the world, Flightradar24 provides all the tools you need for efficient and accurate flight monitoring. The app's core feature is its ability to show real-time flight positions on an interactive map. You can search for flights by their flight number, airport, or route, and view their exact location, speed, and altitude. It provides not only commercial flights, but also private and cargo flights, making it a great option for aviation professionals or anyone curious about the airspace. The live tracking feature is extremely accurate, with detailed flight information updated every few seconds, offering precise data on whether a flight is on schedule, delayed, or canceled. One of the app's most powerful features is the live flight map. This map displays all active flights globally, and you can zoom in on specific regions or track individual flights. If you're at the airport or trying to check on a connecting flight, this feature gives you quick insights into any delays or disruptions. Additionally, the flight details page includes useful information such as aircraft type, flight history, and estimated arrival time. Flightradar24 also has premium subscription options, which unlock additional features like weather overlays, historical flight data, and advanced filters for flight searches. This can be a valuable tool for frequent flyers and those wanting to dive deeper into the world of aviation. The app is simple to use with a user-friendly interface, making it easy to find flight information without any unnecessary steps. It's perfect for frequent travelers, aviation hobbyists, and anyone who enjoys staying up to date with air traffic. Whether you're at the airport or just want to follow a flight globally, Flightradar24 ensures you have reliable flight information at your fingertips.